In this video, I will show you how to list your property on booking.com. So in order to do this, what you can do is you can just head over to join.booking.com and then sign up for an account. So as you can see right here, I've already signed up and in here I can now log in or log out depending on what I want. So for example, you just need to first categorize your property. Is it an apartment, a house, hotel, B&B, apart hostel or hostels, or it can be other accommodation. So for this one, just head over and then choose one. For example, hotel. Let's click onto this register your property. And then once you have done that, this will load into this. Just choose the category. Let me choose hotel right here. Then click on continue. Now in here, just show or answer this. So let's put this right here and click on continue. And then click onto this continue right here. And then once we have done that, this will actually load in order to show us this screen. So just enter the details of your hotel, like for example, country and region as well as the address. And just continue on the on-screen instruction until you reach the end of this.